Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Disable non-essential notifications so alerts stop tugging your attention. Keep only calls, SMS, and alarms. Next, move social apps into a single folder and bury them off your main screen so habits break instantly. Then, reduce screen on time by setting timeout to 30 seconds and enable Do Not Disturb on your busiest hours. Once done, you'll feel fewer interruptions and a clear path to more focused behavior. This is the first decisive shift toward using your phone less. Now you build friction. Set strict app limits, 30 minutes per day for social feeds, and enforce them with built-in timers. Next, make your screen less attractive. Enable grayscale and lower brightness so automatic reaches lose reward. Then, create physical barriers by charging your phone in another room and switching to a basic alarm clock. Once you do this, phone retrieval becomes deliberate, not reflexive. Make sure to pair these with a scheduled substitute activity so idle moments are filled productively. Finish by making this sustainable. Review your screen time weekly and reduce limits by about 10% when you succeed. Adopt one daily phone-free block of 60 to 90 minutes for deep work or connection. Once you commit, new routines form. For accountability, tell someone your plan or use a shared tracker. If things go wrong and you relapse, troubleshoot pragmatically. Uninstall one high-risk app, increase friction, and reset timers. Keep adjustments small and consistent so progress compounds over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.